What's up, my name is TechNobo here for TroubleChute, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can have one live stream out of OBS Studio that goes to multiple platforms. Of course, this video also applies to Streamlabs OBS, as well as XSplit and or any other live streaming software that supports RTMP streaming. In today's video, I'm going to show you the free platform, which is Restream.io. Of course, there are paid options if you'd like higher than a certain quality, certain bitrate, or you'd like to stream to more than just a couple of platforms at once, but we'll get to that all later. This is by far the simplest way of getting one upload stream to go to multiple platforms, being Facebook, YouTube, what used to be Mixer, Twitch, etc, etc. And in tomorrow's video, I'll be showing you how you can set up a free piece of software on your PC to do this to as many platforms as you like without limits other than how fast your PC is and how fast your internet is. So with that all aside, let's get started. Because we're going to be covering this free service, all you really need to get started is an account on their platform. Now this image over here is probably the best way of explaining exactly what it does. One upload live stream goes to multiple platforms. Super easy. Once you've created an account and logged in, you'll see this over here, your dashboard. Of course, I already have a couple of accounts added, but after removing a couple of them, we'll go ahead and guide you through exactly what you need to do. So the upgrade option up here tells us exactly what we have access to on the free account and what we'll get if we start paying for it, starting at $19 a month. But with that all aside, let's go ahead and add a platform. I'll be adding both Twitch and YouTube and show you how to live stream to both of them at once for free using Restream.io. So I'll click Add Channel, and we'll go ahead and select the channel here. I'll be streaming to Twitch as well as YouTube. So I'm clicking on Twitch, clicking Connect Twitch. All I have to do is sign in with a Twitch account and then click Authorize. I'll be streaming to my main Twitch channel, twitch.tv/tcnobo. That is this page over here. So all we have to do is sign in and then click Authorize. After we've authorized it, it shows up on our list of accounts on the left-hand side, and we can toggle it on and off to live stream to that platform. So with Twitch on, I'll go ahead and add my YouTube channel as well. So you can choose YouTube Events, YouTube Stream Now. So I'll choose YouTube Stream Now. Then all we have to do is click Connect YouTube Stream Now, and it'll take us to our YouTube login. Simply select the account you want to live stream to. After selecting a channel, simply click Allow. Then in order to enable YouTube live streams, all you have to do over here is head over to the YouTube Live dashboard, verify your YouTube account, and within 24 hours, they'll confirm verification via email. This is of course if live streaming is not available on your channel. So over here, I've simply picked an account of mine that already has this enabled. All I'll do is head back to my Restream dashboard, I'll remove it by clicking Settings, then Remove Channel, and I'll add that other channel instead. So I've changed my mind a little bit, I've swapped out the Twitch account, but as you can see, now I have a YouTube account added and a Twitch account added. So once we've got our output selected, let's go ahead and get our input details. On the right-hand side, we can either enter the live studio, where we can stream using our built-in webcam within our browser, or we can use advanced software like OBS, Zoom, etc. I'll click RTMP settings, and we'll have this over here. From here, we can pick a stream location from one of these ingest servers. The closest to me is EU West, London. All I'll do is copy this RTMP URL and I'll head across to OBS. Then inside of OBS, go to Settings, Stream, and then we'll change service from Twitch or whatever it is to Custom. Then the server will be our RTMP URL and our stream key will be this down here. Simply click the copy button next to it. Then inside of OBS, paste in the stream key and click Apply, then OK. Then after doing that, all we have to do is click Done, head across to OBS and click Start Streaming. At this point, we should be uploading at whatever speed we chose. My speed is a bit too high. I'll go ahead and drop that to something a bit more reasonable, which will say 2500 kilobits per second. Apply, OK. Start streaming, that's a bit more acceptable. There we go. Now on the right-hand side of our screen over here, we'll see an input preview from our stream over here. Resolution 2560 by 1440, 100 FPS, which is what I record at, and bitrate 2700 because our bitrate for audio is 250. As you can see, YouTube Stream Now has 0 viewers and Twitch is currently loading. If I go ahead and head across to my channel, we'll see that we're currently live on Twitch. I can click on my profile over here and we can see our live stream is currently going. We can edit it and do what we want with it as per usual. Then having a look at our channel dashboard for our YouTube channel, videos, live, we should see our live stream over here. Clicking on it, we'll get to edit it and change how it looks. Currently, because I'm on the free plan, they add a description over here, powered by Restream, https restream.io. We can set a thumbnail, etc, etc. And if we head across to the video link, either through that method or through our actual channel itself, we'll get to the actual live stream on YouTube, where we can go ahead and moderate chat, etc, etc. Super simple. So with just a couple of clicks and an account, we're streaming to not only YouTube, but also Twitch over here, using the free Restream.io account. Super simple. Assuming you want to stream to more than just one platform, you will need to pay. And assuming we want to stream to more than one Twitch account at once, we'll get this pop-up over here saying payment is required. So I'll go ahead and stop my live stream and go ahead and delete those VODs because they're kind of pointless. But anyways, that's about it for this video. Hopefully you found something useful in it. My name's been Technobo here for Troubleshoot, and don't forget, tomorrow I'll be showing you how to do this for free off your own PC using your own internet, having complete control over it for completely free. I'll see you next time. Ciao.